Hello everyone. Today I will solve the remaining problems of exercise 9.2 from the book Mathematical Physics by H.K. Das. Okay, so this video is going to be very important, so look without any skip. I think you must be able to understand. Okay, so let's start. First problem 13. Okay, so here the given problem is 0. It is the LHS term 0 to integration of 0 to 1 x to the power n 1 minus x to the power n whole to the power p dx. I have to prove this term is equal to 1 by n gamma of 1 by n gamma of m plus 1 by n gamma of p plus 1 by gamma of m plus 1 by n plus p plus 1. So the math has been written. Now I am going to solve. Okay, so here 0 to 1 x to the power n 1 minus x to the power n whole to the power p dx. Okay, now I am considering x to the power n equal to y. So if I derive it, x equal to y to the power 1 by n, dx equal to 1 by n y to the power 1 minus 1 by n minus 1 dy. Okay, so here the limit will remain same. So now 0 to 1 x to the power m, so x equal to y to the power 1 by n, so y to the power 1 by n 1 m by n. Okay, so 1 minus x to the power n equal to y whole to the power p dx equal to 1 by n y to the power 1 by n minus 1 dy. Okay, clear. Now this 1 by n equal to constant term, so 1 by n 0 to 1 y to the power m by n. Now m by n y to the power 1 by n minus 1 plus 1 by n minus 1 into 1 minus y whole to the power p into dy. Okay, clear. Now 1 by n 0 to the power 1 y to the power n plus 1 minus n by n into 1 minus y whole to the power p into dy. Okay, now I can write it. Now I will write it m plus 1 by n, m plus 1 by n minus of 1. Okay, so 1 by n 0 to 1 y to the power m plus 1 by n minus 1 I can write it into 1 minus y whole to the power, here I can write 1 plus p minus 1. Okay, dy. Clear. Okay, now if you see it, you can see that it's a formula. So I can write here 1 by n beta to the power m plus 1 by n comma 1 plus p. So it's very easy. Here I can get 1 by n gamma of m plus 1 by n gamma of 1 plus p by gamma of m plus 1 by n plus p plus 1. It is nothing but the formula, but the relation of gamma function and the beta function, and I have discussed it in my previous class. Okay, so now I am going to the next problem 14. Here it is given that the LHS term equal to a to b integration of a to b x minus a whole to the power n b minus x whole to the power n dx. I have to prove this term is equal to b minus a whole to the power m plus n plus 1 into beta of m plus 1 comma n plus 1. Okay, verified. Now I am going to solve. Okay, so here I am considering this term, from this term y equal to x minus a, so dy equal to dx. Okay, so the limit will be x y. If x equal to a, then y equal to 0, and if x equal to b, then y equal to a plus b. Sorry. If x equal to b, x equal to b, sorry b minus a, b minus a. Okay, now I can write here 0 to b minus a into y to the power m, because of x minus a equal to y to the power m. So b equal to b y plus a. So here minus of y plus a equal to minus y minus a, dx equal to dy. Okay, whole to the power n. Okay, very fine. Now y to the power m, b minus y minus a whole to the power n dy. Okay, now I will divide this all term by b minus a. Okay, so here if I write b minus a whole to the power m plus n plus 1, you can see that b minus a whole to the power m into b minus a whole to the power n. So y by b minus a whole to the power n into b minus y minus a whole to the power n into d of 1 by b minus a. So I take this term b minus a whole to the power m plus n plus 1. Okay, so I can write 0 to b minus a into y by b minus a whole to the power m into b minus a minus y by b minus a whole to the power n, okay, into d of 1 by b minus a. So because of b minus a whole to the power 1, b minus a whole to the power, b minus a whole to the power m, b minus a whole to the power n, b minus a whole to the power n, b minus, so it's clear. Okay, now b minus a whole to the power m plus n plus 1 into 0 to b minus a into y by b minus a whole to the power m into 1 minus y by b minus a whole to the power n into d of 1 by b minus a. D of, sorry, y by b minus a, it will be y by b minus a. Okay, now here I am taking this part y by b minus a equal to z. So dy equal to b minus a into dz. Okay, 1 minute. You can take this part. If you don't want to take this part step, that's no problem, because you can see here that y by b minus a whole to the power n into 1 minus y by b minus a whole to the power n into d of y by b minus a. So this term is equal to z. So if I can consider it z, so z to the power n 1 minus z to the power whole n into d of z, and the limit will be 0 to 1. So it is very much clear that it is the formula of beta function. So I can easily write it, and here I can write it m plus 1 minus 1 into here also n plus 1 minus 1. Okay, I can write it. So here I can easily write b minus a whole to the power m plus n plus 1 into beta of m plus 1 comma n plus 1. So it is proved. Is that a system? Now the next method. So 15. Here it is given that integration of a to b x minus a whole to the power m minus n into b minus x whole to the power n minus 1 dx. I have to prove this term is equal to b minus a whole to the power m plus n minus 1 into beta of m comma n. Okay, I have to prove it. So now I am writing this term a to b x minus a whole to the power m minus n into b minus x whole to the power n minus 1 dx. Okay, very clear. Now I will consider y equal to x minus a. Okay, so now if I consider y equal to x minus a, so I have seen the previous math. You can follow the previous problem 14. You can see here 0 to b minus a, the limit will be 0 to b minus a into y to the power m minus 1 into b minus a minus y whole to the power n minus 1 into dy. Because of I am here substituting the value of x, because of y equal to x minus a, so x equal to y plus a, because here the minus term, because of the minus term here minus a minus y. Okay, now clear? Again b minus a whole to the power n minus 1 into b minus a whole to the power m minus 1. But here 0 to b minus a whole to the y by b minus a whole to the power m minus 1, okay, into 1 minus y by b minus a into d of y by b minus a, okay, here the n minus 1, okay. Now I can write it b minus a whole to the power m plus n minus 1 into, here you can see that if y by b minus a is equal to z, I am substituting it to z, so b minus a equal to 1, and this term will be the same for the beta function. So here 0 to 1 into z to the power m minus 1 into 1 minus z whole to the power n minus 1 dz. So I can write it b minus a whole to the power m plus n minus 1 into beta of m comma n. So it is proved. Now I am going to the next map 16. Okay, here it is given that root over of integration of 3 to 7 4 root over of x minus 3 into 7 minus x into dx. I have to prove it equal to 2 of gamma of 1 by 4 whole square by 3 root pi. I have to prove it. Okay, so here I will consider x equal to 4t plus 3, okay, and dx equal to 4 dt. Okay, now the limit will be 3 to 7, here 0 will be 0 to 1 into 4 to the power 1 by 4 into 4 to the power 1 into t to the power 1 by 4 into 4 minus 4t whole to the power 1 by 4 dt. Okay, this term is coming. So here I can write 4 to the power 5 by 4 into 4 to the power 1 by 4 into 0 to 1, the same process, t to the power 1 by 4 into 1 minus t whole to the power 1 by 4 dt. Because of here 4 into 1 minus t, so this term 4 to the power 1 into 4 to the power 1 by 4, so here 4 to the power 5 by 4 into 4 to the power 1 by 4, clear? So dt. Now 4 to the power 6 by 4 into 0 to 1 t to the power 5 by 4 minus 1, I can write it because of 5 by 4 minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 minus t whole to the power 5 by 4 minus 1 dt. Okay, now I can write it 2 to the power q into b to the power 5 by 4 comma 5 by 4. Okay, now here I will use the gamma function term into 8 into gamma of 5 by 4 gamma of 5 by 4 by gamma of 10 by 4. So I can write it 8 into 1 by 4 gamma of 1 by 4 whole square by 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into root 5, and here 8, so 2. Now I am getting this term 2 gamma of 1 by 4 whole square by 3 root 5 by 4. So this 4 will going to above 8 gamma of 1 by 4 whole square by 3 root 5. It is proved. Now I am going to the next problem 17. Here it is given that integration of 0 to pi by 2 d theta by root over of 1 minus 1 by 2 sin square theta equal to gamma of 1 by 4 whole square by 4 root pi. I am here considering 1 by 2 sin square theta equal to sin square phi. Okay, now here I can write sin theta cos theta d theta equal to 2 sin phi cos phi d phi. Okay, now d theta equal to 2 sin phi cos phi by sin theta cos theta into d phi. Okay, now d theta equal to 2 sin phi cos phi d phi by root 2 sin phi into root over of 1 minus 2 sine square phi. So here I can write it root 2 cos phi d phi by root over of cos 2 phi. Now here the limit will be 0 to pi by 4. Okay, now I am taking the integration 0 to pi by 4 root 2 cos phi d phi by cos phi d phi by cos phi into root over of cos 2 phi, because of here I have already proved it. Okay, so here cos 2 phi. Okay, so equal to root 2 equal to constant term, so root 2 0 to pi by 4 into cos 2 phi whole to the power minus 1 by 2 d phi. Okay, now 1 by root 2 0 to pi by 4 cos 2 phi whole to the power minus 1 by 2 d of 2 phi. I can write it. Okay, now 1 by root 2 0 to pi by 2, because of I am here considering m equal to 2 phi. So cos 2 phi equal to m, so cos m into minus of 1 by 2 dm. Okay, now 1 by 2 into 0 to pi by 2 cos m whole to the power 2 into 1 by 4 minus 1. I can write it because of 2 into 1 by 4, 1 by 2 minus 1 equal to minus of 1 by 2 into sin m into 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 dm. Okay, now 1 by 2 root 2 into beta of 1 by 4 over 1 by 2 is the relation of trigonometric function beta function. So here 1 by 2 root 2, if now it's easy, 1 gamma of 1 by 4 gamma of 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 root 2 gamma of 1 by 4 whole square to gamma of 1 by 2 by gamma of 3 by 4 gamma of 1 by 4. Okay, so it's the term. Now from example, the formula gamma of n, gamma of 1 minus n equal to pi by sin n pi. I hope you all know that. If you don't know about this formula, you can follow the examples of H.K. Das and you will get there this term. Okay, so here I am considering n equal to 3 by 4, so gamma of 3 by 4 into gamma of 1 minus 3 by 4 equal to pi by sin of 3 pi by 4. Okay, now here for n equal to 1 by 4, n equal to 1 by 4, we will get a pi of 1 by 4 gamma of 1 minus 1 by 4 equal to pi by sin pi by 4. Okay, so gamma of 1 by 4 into gamma of 3 by 4 equal to pi by 1 by root 2 equal to root 2 pi, root 2 into pi, sorry, root 2 into pi. Okay, so here you can write I equal to 1 by 2 root 2, here 1 by 2 root 2 gamma of 1 by 4 whole square into root pi, because of gamma of 1 by 2 equal to root pi, by gamma of 3 by 4 into gamma of 1 by 4 equal to root 2 pi. Okay, so root 2 into pi. Okay, now here I can write it because of your root pi. So 1 by 2 root 2 into gamma of 1 by 4 whole square by, so here we can write it root 2 pi, and you will see that it will be, this term will be 4 root pi. So here we can write it gamma of 1 by 4 whole square by 4 root pi. It's proved. And next problem 18, here we can see that 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1 dx equal to in for n greater than 0 and I have to find I n plus 1 by I of n. Okay, so it's very much easy, because of if I consider it I by n equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus x to the power n minus 1, because of gamma of n, because of it's the function of is the equation of gamma function. Okay, so it's gamma n. So I can write it I by n plus 1 by I by n equal to gamma of n plus 1. I can write it because of gamma of n equal to I n. So gamma of n plus 1 equal to I of n plus 1 by gamma of n. So here gamma of n plus 1 equal to, we know, n gamma n by gamma of n. So this gamma of n term will be vanished, so equal to n. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, so do like, do comment, share with your friends, do subscribe if you think this video is very needful. And 1 minute, that's a proverb. A drop of water from your sea will not hurt you, but the life of a little bird will be saved. What have I said? A drop of water from your sea will not hurt you, but the life of a little bird will be saved. You can't imagine how much encouragement one of your subscription gives me. And I don't know what's the problem happening to click the red subscribe button. Subscribe here. I give much effort for one class. So subscribe here, do like, comment, share, subscribe. If you think this video is needful, I will solve here the HK Das mathematical problems, all problems. If you have any problem about HK Das, you can say me in my comment box. I will provide you solutions by email, by WhatsApp, anything. But subscribe here. Overall subscribe. I don't know, but subscribe. Okay. Thank you.